Stringing beads for a project can be soothing to the soul, but sometimes when you have to string thousands of seed beads for a project, it can be tough, and we can all use a little help. I'm Elaine. I'm a jewelry designer here at Fire Mountain Gems and Beads, and today I'm going to show you a fun and easy way how to string a lot of seed beads all at once, making your seed bead project go a little bit faster.
Get our email newsletter for beading news, sale announcements, new product announcements, and more. Link is in the description below.
When creating seed bead projects from anything from jewelry, wire art, or even bead mosaic, it can be quite tedious doing it a bead at a time. Here at Fire Mountain Gems and Beads, we carry the Speedy Stringer, which makes seed beading a little bit faster, fun, and easy. I'm going to show you a few different ways using the Speedy Stringer, using different materials for different projects. So I have my J-hook here that comes with the Speedy Stringer, and I have some fire lines strung onto the end of this. Now that is really good for your necklaces and bracelets because you won't have to restring your beads on the fire line. You could just string them directly onto it. So I'm going to take this and have my J-hook facing down, and I'm going to want to get as close to this center cone as possible. And I'm going to go counterclockwise, and I'm going to spin and then pull up, and see it's grabbing seed beads all at once instead of one at a time. And we're just going to keep doing that, and soon you'll have your fire line full of seed beads. Okay, next I'm going to show you how I string the seed beads onto 22 gauge wire. So I have some wire and I just bent it into another J-hook, and I'm actually keeping it on the spool. That way the seed beads don't fall off. This is great for if you're doing projects like the seed bead plant or beaded flowers. It's great to just be able to have those seed beads already on the wire. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same motion. I have my little J-hook, and I'm going to put it close to the center. Do counterclockwise. Got the beads. And there we go. So my next example, I have some just regular nylon string, and this is great for doing like bead mosaic or anything that you want the string to stay with the beads. So I'm going to go ahead and just do the same thing. We're going to put the J-hook into the center, counterclockwise, stringing the beads, and it goes right onto the J-hook, and we just slide it right down onto the string. Have I encouraged you to take a spin with the Speedy Stringer? For a small investment, it will shave hours off your stringing time, giving you more time to create. If you do create something using the Speedy Stringer, tag us and post it. We'd love to see what you've made. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and sign up for our email newsletter. Until next time, we'll see you soon.